Alright, everybody be quiet. This is my studio. Alright, cue the logo. Okay. First take. Why does it say 20th Century Studios? Because it's the best. No. This is my studio. I've been at the studio cueing logos and getting them all wrong as well. So, if you're gonna do the same, then I have to fire you. Now, I finally like 20th Century Fox. Because I'm at my own studio. So you better be quiet or I'll flush you down your big fat toilet. Why is it with memes? Because it's so funny. No, it's not supposed to. It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be 20th Century Fox. But it literally says 20th Century Fox. No. It's not supposed to use the memes, I said. Fine, crazy person. Shut up. Cue the logo now. Why is it with the Rio 2 remake? Because I love Rio 2. Yeah. No. It's supposed to be live action also. But it's literally 20. No. You literally heard what I said. It's supposed to be live action. And I'm not going to tell you again. If I have to tell you again, you're fired. Don't be a bad boy or else I'll have to hire another person. Why does it have to be destroyed? Because I like it destroyed. I major hate 20th Century Fox. No, I like 20th Century Fox now. So you are responsible for cueing the logo. Fine. It's not fine. You're doing it. What the? What? How'd you get here? I just wanted to see how you were doing on your first bloopers. Yeah. I have a problem with this kid. He's straight up back talking to me. I will need you to I will need you to hire someone else and fire this person. Or I'll just fire it myself. Kid, you are fired, fired, fired. Oh my god, I cannot believe you just fired me. I'm so mad at you. I hate you to death. Oh my god, I just really want to do it. Get out, you're fired. When they looked for someone to hire, I found one who was good. It's this person. Okay, hi. How are you? I am doing great. How are you? I am doing great also. So, I needed you here because the other person is bad. So, will you cue the logo for me as your first and last chance? Yes. Thank you so much. You're welcome.